Watsonville traffic, R22946 on base 20, Watsonville.
In right rudder, nose up, nose down rather. And we're flying. Turn on noise canceling, because this is loud.
Watsonville traffic, 3547 Hotel, final 20 Watsonville.
Crap.
Does everybody want to make it over to Salt Springs?
Watsonville traffic, R29546, crosswind, runway 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 2065 Victor, turning downwind 20, Watsonville, number 2.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 488, turning base for 20. This will be a full stop. Watsonville traffic.
Watsonville traffic, Stinson 8306 kilo, entering left crosswind, having fuel problems.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 3547 Hotel, upwind 20 Watsonville. Watsonville, where's that crosswind traffic?
Crosswind is just now abeam the takeoff end of runway 2 on the departure side. I'll be turning crosswind very soon, or turning downwind very soon.
Watsonville traffic, we'll let you go ahead and deal with that.
Watsonville traffic, Hotel upwind 20. We'll extend our upwind for the traffic arrest turn downwind Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Stinson 8306 kilo, turning downwind 20, Watsonville, close downwind, full stop.
Watsonville traffic, aircraft reporting fuel issues. This is Watsonville Unicom, you copy?
Stinson 8306 kilo, I'm on one tank, which seems to be not having a problem. My right tank has a problem.
Roger that. Advise if you need any help on the ground.
I think I'll be good on the ground. I'll let you know as soon as I get to base. Watsonville traffic, Stinson 8306 kilo, turning left base 20. I have the runway made. Watsonville traffic, Stinson 8306 kilo, short final 20, full stop.
Watsonville traffic, R29546 on base 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 2065 Victor, left crosswind, runway 20, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, Cessna 2065 Victor, downwind 20, number 2, Watsonville.